packing for my trip to Northern Ireland. So there's my bag I packed. This is the food we had the hotel the night before. A risotto, and then I had an ice cream after. It was beautiful. Look at the sundae. And then in the morning I had a fruit bowl. It's lovely. And then here we are in the plane. Ignore the background noise. Me on the plane, staring out the window, showing you what I can see. Beautiful view, which is lovely. Just can't believe I'm looking at the stars, looking at the clouds. And then we landed. And a friend made me a roast dinner with ham. Beautiful Sunday dinner. And then next day I had a sandwich for lunch, and then me sat in the back of the car. It was lovely. The weather was sunny. We got lucky again. I love going home to my home country. Well, I left when I was 7, and it's just nice being back, seeing my family. And this is our hotel room when we were leaving. And then it had 2 separate places. So this was the bathroom with a separate toilet. Yeah. It was beautiful, and I had like shower that came from the roof, which was amazing. And full-time bath. So excited. And then obviously me vlogging. Hello. And then my boyfriend showing off the hotel with a little goodie station with all the tea that I'm happy with. Whoop whoop. And then you can hang your clothes up. And then this was the toilet. So the toilet was separate to the room. And then we had a sandwich, lunch, and then my dinner I had soup. And this was my delicious pudding. And then I traveled to the airport. This is the traveling to return the car and go to the airport, which was nice. It's about a 2-hour drive, and it's just the weather was alright. Just showing you the beautiful view. It was raining, as you can tell. It was spitting, typical Northern Ireland weather. I didn't film much as I was just visiting family, seeing my dad, seeing my members of family. Just me looking out the car window. Yeah, it was just a short trip, and really we just went around and saw everybody and checked on my family members really. And then here we are filling up the car before we return it. Lovely time again. And this is our hotel. And then I'm home. Oh, sorry, this is me packing my stuff at the hotel as we are leaving the next morning. So just getting my trousers and other things and bits and bobs together, which I love. Just folding everything, make sure it fits in my little bag. I just have a little rucksack to travel home with, so I don't have to pay shipping fee for my suitcase or anything like that. So I just folding all my clothes. go. And then into the sky. Thank you all for watching my little vlog.